It's an unmistakable architectural icon, a salute to engineering and innovation, the home of hands-on educational programming and extraordinary community events. And it's one of the most acclaimed automotive museums in the world. It's LeMay, America's Car Museum, and you can be a part of it. When a community of donors came together in the early 2000s to build this landmark tourist attraction in Tacoma, Washington, they envisioned not just a spectacular showcase for historically significant automobiles, but much, much more. Their dreams were realized in the form of one of the city's most remarkable treasures. It would now become a gathering place for the community. It would host traveling exhibits from across the country and around the world, and it would deliver educational STEM programs to more than 30,000 young people each year. And it would inspire and spark the imagination of the next generation of engineers, designers, technicians, and automobile enthusiasts. As a member of LeMay America's Car Museum, you'll be the first to see exhibits that celebrate old school, cool, and speedway superstars. You'll be invited to member-only events like drive-in movies, live music concerts, and food festivals. You'll take to the road for driving experiences with fellow adventure seekers. You'll be investing in our mission to educate and entertain while preserving and evolving car culture, community, and careers. Join us today.